high-performance pet vacuum. So we all know life with kids and pets can get beyond messy, with all that fur and dirt and glitter and almost anything else you can think of getting all over the house. And that's where the high-performance pet comes in. It's Hoover's best cleaning bagless vacuum with all the powerful suction I need to keep up with life, combined with exclusive Windtunnel 3 technology. Now, when I clean, there's no going over the same spot again and again like I have with other vacuums. It's got an incredibly effective quick pass brush roll, meaning I can clean all that daily debris up to 2 times faster. And I can get to those out-of-reach messes I often forget to clean, like here on the vent, the cracks on the couch, and even fur left by Buddy. It really is a must-have for busy homes. Plus, Hoover thought of everything. HEPA filtration, a large dirt cup, and even a 40-foot power cord to go almost anywhere. It's like they made it just for me and my family. So give the Hoover High Performance Pet a shot. I think you'll love it as much as I do.
The Dirt Devil Power Duo makes it really easy to clean your whole home. First, plug it in, step on the nozzle, and pull back to recline. Then push here to power up, and you're ready to vacuum your carpets and rugs. For above floor messes, press the wand release button and pull the wand out. Now push your extension wand onto the end for cleaning hard to reach areas. Or use the crevice tool to get the small stuff in cracks, corners, and couches. Push the brush up until it clicks for dusting shelves and tables. Push the lock button down to switch it back. The Vac Plus Dust Floor tool grabs dust and debris off hard floors at the same time, and it has flexible edges so you can clean right up against baseboards. When you're done, toss the washable microfiber pad into the wash so it's ready for next time.